This is how you can get rid of the time limit on the iPhone. So whenever you use your phone, you might notice that you get the time limit for individual apps or communications, and it can all be managed inside of your settings and then inside of the screen time section. So in there, you can see all of the activities and everything, right? But in the content and privacy restrictions, you can disable the restrictions if you wish, but you can also just customize the downtime as well as app limits. So if you just get inside, you can disable the app limits altogether or even remove apps from this section. So you can just tap on individual apps, for example, the Instagram right here. I can choose it to like a different time, right? So I can add more minutes to the time limit, but I might as well just delete the limit for this app altogether. Or I can just delete, as I said, turn off the app limits across all of them. Or I can add a new app to this list. So this is completely up to you. Besides that, you also have downtime, which might be something worth taking a look as well. Because downtime, you choose only specific apps which can be used. So let's say that during downtime, you only pick that you can choose or use the messages as well as the phone app, and that's it. And all other apps are just not going to work. So you can just disable the scheduling of the downtime altogether to prevent this from ever happening. And one last thing is the communication limits, which you can see that you can just check out and see the section for downtime and the screen time. So essentially, you want to just set it to everyone so you don't have any limits. Otherwise, if you choose it to just contact specifically or only groups with at least one contact, then it's going to be limited to. So this is where everything can be managed and set up. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you guys later.